Here we are in section 1.3 exercises, part A, with the solutions to numbers 10 through 14. Let's start with number 10. The instructions said subtract. So this is 234 minus 57. We do need to line them up, so it's 234 minus 57. This is 4 minus 7, which will give us a negative 3. We don't want half of our number negative, so we do some borrowing and say this is actually 220, 14. That's 234. We've made that 220 and then 14 on the edge. So then we subtract 14 minus 7 is 7. 2 minus 5. Ooh, 2 minus 5 would give us a negative number, so we cut that down to 112 tens. 12 minus 5 is 7. And 1 minus 0 is 1. 177. Let's double check that that will be the right answer. Yes, there's our answer right there. Number 11. 19.275 minus 74.63. Ooh, this is going to be tough. The 74 is bigger than the 19, so our answer is going to end up negative. So we subtract with this stronger one on top. 74.63 is actually subtracting, and he's on top. And then we have 19.275. And again, we can fill out that 0 right there, and that'll help us a little bit. So 0 minus 5, no, we don't do that. So let's do some borrowing. We cut that down to a 2, and that gives us 10 more in that previous column. 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 7, nope, that'll give us a negative, so we look at that one and cut it down and add 10 to that one. So that's 12 minus 7 is 5. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So we're going pretty good. 4 minus 9, oh, we're going to get a negative number, so let's look at the 7, cut him down to a 6, and make that a 14. And really just this little experience here can help you see what we did. We did 74 and we rewrote it as 6014, so that 14 minus 9 could be a 5 and 6 minus 1 could be a 5. And so writing it as 6014 puts in the columns so we can subtract exactly. And the final thing is we put this negative 74.63 up on top because he's stronger. He's going to win between the tug of war between the 74 and the 19. So the answer is negative 55.355. That's what negatives and positives do, or they struggle against each other. All right, let's try this next one. Negative 4,386 minus 5,119. They are opposite signs, so this is a subtraction problem. We need to put the strongest one up on top. So we're going to write negative 5119. And the positive 4386 underneath. They're opposite each other. They're going to tug of war, and so subtraction. Here we go. 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 minus 8, ooh, that would give us a negative number. So we're going to go over here, take away that 100 and put it right there. So we got 11 tens. 11 minus 8 is 3. 0 minus 3 doesn't happen. But if we do this and make that a 4 and a 10 right there, we've transferred one of these units over to 10 of those units. So 10 minus 3 is 7, and 4 minus 4 is 0. And we look and see, it is a negative number because the stronger one on top will win. Let's check our answers here. Yep, there's our negative 55.355 for number 11, and number 12 is negative 733. Good. Number 13, 2.35 minus 17.986. Yes, indeed, the stronger one's on the bottom and we're subtracting, so we got to move that guy up to the top. Negative 17.986, and we're going to do a subtraction of 2.35. And if you'd like to fill that out so you have the same number of decimals, that's great. 6 minus 0 is 6. 8 minus 5 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. The decimal comes down. 7 minus 2 is 5. 1 minus 0 is 1. Hey, look at that. We didn't have to borrow at all. But don't forget that the stronger one is negative. So when these two fight against each other, that's what will be left over. Think of it as money. If you had $2 and lost 17, you'd be in the hole about $15. And the final one, number 14, 2,984 minus 151. The stronger of these two is the positive one, so it's written just exactly right. 2,984 minus 151. And we can just start subtracting. 4 minus 1 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 9 minus 1 is 8. And 2 minus 0 is 2. Let's check our answers and make sure. There's the negative 15.636 is correct, and 2,833 correct. Good.